So we headed out to Los Banos Creek again, my dad and I. Last time we were there, my dad picked up maybe like 6 or 7, and I didn't pick up any. I think I only picked up 1. It's a little cold, so I thought it was a chance for me to throw some swim baits. So I threw a little bluegill out there. I didn't have a chance to tie on a trout, but I wanted to see if there was still any reaction baits hitting, so didn't have any luck, but also didn't see any fish on the graph. Started throwing a jig, sunflower, black and white. Couldn't get any off the jig either. Crankbaits, we threw a chartreuse, and then we threw like a baby bass, a little small one. Couldn't get any fish to bite, but then again, we didn't see any on the graph. It wasn't until we went all the way to the back where I originally wanted to go, and we decided, you know what, I'm just gonna see if we could see something on the graph and hit a drop shot. And we ended up putting about 10 or 11 in the boat. It turned out our biggest one was maybe a 2.5 pound bass. I was using a 4.5 little innovation reaction straight tail worm. It ended up being really good. I had a good time with my dad. Thanks for watching. That's a better one. That's a better one. Ah. Ah, that. So this is the third fish that we got here in the same spot. Obviously, we're looking at the graph and we're seeing a lot of movement on the bottom. Bunch of bait fish everywhere. So we decided to drop our drop shot right here. We're using a reaction innovation. It's more like a sexy Chad type color, 4.5 inch, and we're having a lot of luck here. So I think we're gonna stay here, and that's what we did, and we got quite a bit. Right there. Oh, yep. Right there. Shucks. I got a bite. Oh, I got one. I got it. Oh, man. Oh, shucks. Let's see. I got it. Right there. They're right on the bottom of us. Right on the bottom. They're all over the graph. You know, at this point, we were just right on top of the fish, and we were able to just drop shot, let it fall down, and get the fish, put them in the boat, move the boat a little bit until we're on top of the fish again, go out there and drop the line, and just have success. A majority of them were probably a pound and a half bass, but I think overall we had a great time. And they almost fell in the water. Oh man, we should call those people over there that haven't caught anything. Poor guy and his wife.